Hey, good evening, folks. Bota here. Just wanted to say hello and let y'all know that I'm still here. COVID didn't get me. And so I got a little news to share with you, but I'll show you a little bit about what I've been up to for the last couple days. Let me angle this down. That's the Briggs & Stratton engine off of my father's log splitter. And he gave me a call and told me his log splitter was acting up. I told him to bring it up and we'd take a look at it. So, I'm not supposed to touch my face. Anyhow, I just washed my hands, so it's okay, folks. Anyhow, so now how my social distance, I haven't been able to see the barber for a while. So I'm one, ever since I went in the Air Force, I have not liked hair on my ears. It just bothers the heck out of me when my hair starts touching my ears, and I'll even trim the hair up around my ears so I can extend my haircut for a week, keep that hair off my ears. Well, my mustache trimmer wasn't going to cut it, so I had to get me a pair of hair clippers. So I got them in and got them tonight, and so I'm going to show you the end result, folks. This is my COVID-19 social distancing haircut. I think I did a pretty good job. I didn't want it quite so short, but next time I'll put a longer comb on there. I put a 2 on there. Next time I'm going to try a 4, see how that works out. They told you in the instructions to start out long. I thought 2 was long. Anyhow, I don't, I'm not a barber, but I think I did pretty good. I could do those basic military training haircuts pretty darn good, I think. Even I checked the mirror in the house, and the back seems to be pretty good. Got it trimmed up, and feels good. Cecil, there you go. Got my spring haircut, just like you did. So, hey Cecil, I just want to tell you that spark you told me about on my dad's engine, that was exactly right. I checked the plug is fouled, and the flywheel was all rusted up, and the inductor on the magneto was rusted up. So I cleaned the magneto up, cleaned the flywheel up, adjusted the gap. And the gap was fine before, but it fires up, but it's still running super, super rich. I guess that's because of that alcohol, 10% ethanol in the gasoline. That was what's causing the carburetor. So we got a new carburetor on order. It's on the way, and we're going to get this thing back together. I decided not to fiddle trying to rebuild the carburetor. I'd like to have someone kind of hold my hand on doing that for the first time. So maybe I'll give it a try here. But for now, we're just going to get a Chinese carburetor put on it, see if we can get it running. And you can't buy this engine anymore. Yeah, it's a shame. Everything's so disposable. I've got a Predator engine from the Harbor Freight, and it was too big to fit in there. Whenever you, if I put the engine onto the mount plate and then stood the log splitter in the vertical position, the log splitter would hit the engine. So it's just physically too big, just by fractions of an inch, and so it's not going to work for us. I think all the bolt patterns matched up, and we would have been good there. Even the original bolts would have fit into it, but it was just not going to. It's just physically too big for the area that I have to mount the motor in. So that's that. Hey, I want to tell you all, stay safe out there. Take care of yourself. If you know someone that needs some groceries and they can't get out and get it themselves, lend them a hand, help them out. Help your neighbors, especially the older neighbors. And, just don't give them a hug when you say goodbye, and don't shake their hand when you greet them. All right, folks, y'all have a good day and take care of yourself. Until next time, this is Bota Bob saying, this is a wrap. Ciao and cheers.